QIDILA Skin Lightening Cream combines arbutin, vitamin C, and niacinamide to gradually brighten stubborn dark areas like underarms, knees, elbows, and the bikini line without feeling harsh. The formula not only targets discoloration at its source, but also uses light-reflecting ingredients to make dull skin look more even and luminous right after application. Soothing botanicals such as centella asiatica and chamomile, along with shea butter and olive oil, help calm sensitive zones while keeping thin, creased skin comfortably moisturized. Its lightweight gel cream texture sinks in quickly, leaving no sticky or oily film, so it wears well under fitted clothing, activewear, or swimwear at any time of day. Antioxidant-rich components like vitamin C, licorice root, and Japanese camellia oil work together to soften the look of sun damage, post-blemish marks, and early fine lines. The predominantly plant-based formula is designed for consistent daily use, supporting a gradual yet noticeable improvement in tone and radiance across different skin types and complexions.